Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV with another quick tip. Let's show you how to use Apple CarPlay in a Cadillac.
To get started, plug your iPhone into the vehicle using the cord that came with your phone. The location of the USB ports may differ depending on the model, but in a 2019 XT5, they're found in the center console. You then need to give the vehicle access to your phone. You'll know when it's connected when CarPlay appears on the phone and the projection icon switches over to an Apple CarPlay icon. Click it and the system will pull over all the applicable apps from your phone. Make sure the Hey Siri feature on your iPhone is turned on and you can now do hands-free calling.
Hey Siri, phone Don Wheaton on white.
Calling Don Wheaton on white.
Or use the voice command button on the steering wheel. You can also respond to texts, play music, or use the Maps app with your voice.
Hey Siri, find the nearest gas station.
The nearest one I found is SO.
This is especially useful if your vehicle doesn't have built-in navigation. If at any point you want to return to the main queue system, just click the home icon on the infotainment center. You're now ready to use Apple CarPlay in your Cadillac. Make sure to stay tuned for more quick tips.